Hello guys, so I'm going to walk you through on how to install Kali GUI on your Kali Linux WSL on your Windows PC. There are two actual ways to do this: by installing SRDP and installing case. Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to do this. So the first thing you're going to do is to open your Kali Linux here from my desktop. Okay, so I'm going to follow this command. So after the installation of Kali, you have to run this command first. I've already done this. So but to run the Kali graphical user interface, then you have to use this command here: sudo service srdp start. Okay, I'm going to run this command on my terminal. I'm going to click enter. I have to enter my password. Okay, now it's saying that starting remote desktop protocol service. So now let's follow the okay. Then now let me review my IP address from my PC. Sorry, IP address. Okay, this is my IP address. I'm going to connect with the RDP. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the IP address, then go to my search bar and type RDP, then paste the IP address. So let's do this. This is my search bar. I'm gonna type RDP, then I'll open this. Okay, so you have to the IP address is already here, so you have to type it manually. So I'm going to click connect, then I'm going to accept this. Alright, now let me input my username I created while installing Kali Linux. So my username is WilliamSec. Then my password is personal. Hold on. So now this is a Kali Linux running fully functioning on my Windows computer. You can see I can minimize. This is Kali Linux. This is my window. Okay. Alright, so this is how to do it, and this is functioning very fine. All the pre-installed tools are available. Nmap, okay, NetHunter, so terminal emulator. Who am I? WilliamSec, ls, print working directory, ping google.com. As you can see, everything is functioning very fine. So this is the first step to do this. So I'm going to minimize this. So I will clear this. Then the next option to do this is to this is the second part. You have to install Win cache on your PC. So this is a command to do this after the installation. Then to start Win cache, then I have to run this command: cache dash window space dash s. So I have to copy this and go back to my terminal and paste it. Then I will click enter. So let's wait and see what happens. Voila. So you can see then I have a different interface here on my PC. Okay, so it's also functioning with the full installation of Kali Linux pre-installed tools. Then you ask where you can browse. Hold on a sec. Okay, so you can see this is it. All right, please, if you have followed me up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video. If you have any question, you can message me in the comment section below. All right, you can also try the command prompts. Who am I? William sec print working directory. Okay, and ping google.com. So you see, everything is functioning very fine. So there is it. So please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Okay. All right, so that you can be able to see my next video. So to exit from this environment, you have to press F8 on your PC. Then you can be able to see minimize button. Okay, so this is it for this video. See you in the next one. So if you want to install, if you want to learn or install Kali Linux WSL on your PC, maybe you can follow this command. I'm going to show you how to do this in the next video. So this is how to do it. Follow the steps, then you can be able to install it. See you in the next one. Well done.